Hello, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will go through why you have to turn off your phone on an airplane. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you put your phone on airplane mode or not. Don't forget to check our links in bio for good travel deals, a travel cashback app, and so much more. All right, let's dive a bit deeper into why we're asked to switch off our phones during flights. Imagine this. Your phone sends out invisible signals called electromagnetic waves. These waves can interfere with the sensitive navigation equipment on the plane. It's like trying to concentrate on driving while someone's blasting loud music in your ear. It can be distracting and potentially dangerous. To keep everyone safe, airlines want us to take precautions. That's why they ask us to switch off our phones or put them on airplane mode. Airplane mode basically shuts down all the wireless features of your phone, like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so they won't mess with the plane's systems. But here's the good news. Planes nowadays have pretty advanced navigation systems that can handle a bit of interference. Plus, the amount of interference our phones actually produce is usually quite small. So, while it's important to follow the rules, the risk of something going wrong because of your phone is pretty low. But still, take precaution and put your phone on airplane mode and follow the rules. Now, when it comes to rules, every airline has its own way of doing things. Some might allow you to use your phone in airplane mode, while others might want it completely off. To avoid any confusion or getting in trouble mid-flight, it's always a good idea to check the rules before you fly. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you put your phone on airplane mode or not. Also, check out our links in bio. Bye!